come pick up some tires with me. So why am I taking you with me on this journey to pick up a set of tires? The more we go down this lean path as a company, the more I'm clearly developing kind of a lean mentality, a lean mindset, and constantly looking for lean or looking for waste and everything that applies to the process. And I was kind of assessing some of the businesses that at least I interact with on a regular basis in my role here, and thought this tire store that we work with was an interesting example. You can kind of see here, I've got the tires loaded up behind me. I didn't want to put these guys on the spot and put them in my video per se, but I thought this place was an interesting example just to see how they flow stuff through, because I know this tire store moves a lot of tires and vehicles in and out every single day. So obviously you can see their logo there. We don't have any direct affiliation with them. This store locally specifically just takes really good care of us. We know the staff here pretty well, and they seem to help us out. But basically, somebody pulls up just like me, they either drop off loose tires and wheels, or they drop off a vehicle like this one over here, for example. Obviously they're going to go in and check in with the staff up front, and from there their vehicle kind of goes into a queue. But as soon as the staff out here in the garage areas grab that vehicle from the queue, it goes in, it gets all of its work taken care of, and that is that staff member's one single project all the way through. So kind of one piece flowing vehicles all the way through here, getting everything taken care of for that one vehicle or that one project before they move on to the next thing. And then of course handing the paperwork back off to the front office staff and getting it back out to the customer and getting them on their way as quickly and as efficiently as possible. So nothing too crazy there. It's seemingly a pretty quick, simple process, but I thought it was an interesting example of how their stuff flows through. And I think it's a good idea to assess these other businesses and their processes to see how we can either implement those things into ours, or at least learn from them so that we don't implement bad practices in our business. Now let's head back and get these tires on a truck.